Good day, good day. It's your boy Betty, it's your man Markel Prines, Mr. RVADelivered.com, and also Mr. Animated Life. So, I want to first thank you for making your purchase today. You could have spent your hard earned $5 with anybody you wanted to, but you decided to spend it with us here today. And I hope that what you receive from me is of great value and it exceeds that $5 price tag that you were expecting. Now, I just want to give you guys just a little overview or a little heads up of what to expect so you'll know what you're going to receive. So, of course, you know that as you can see right here, you're going to get your 25 animated video scripts and your backgrounds. So it's going to be 15, a little bit more than 15. I threw in a few extra backgrounds for you guys. So that's just as an added bonus, just to show my appreciation. And as it says here, this is for fun and possibly for profit. Now, I didn't really touch on how this could be used for profits, but what I want to encourage you guys to do is continue to follow me. Follow, like, share the information that you see me post, and make sure that however you got access to this product or service, make sure that you're on my email list. And the best way for you to actually get on my email list is to, like I stated, depending on how you got access to this product, if you come through one of my lead pages, if it was this one in particular or one that looks like this, says at the top, kids doodle, adults animate, transform your ideas into stunning animated videos today for free. Now, this page right here, if you don't have access to it, I'm going to put the link to this page in this form here in this PDF document for you guys so that you can come here. Now, the purpose that I want you to come here for is for a few different reasons. I want you guys to actually put your name and your email in here so that you can, subscribe to our newsletter, where I'll continue to give you updated information on how to create stunning animated videos for fun, or if you would like to use them to make money from home. Now, if you haven't seen this page, I also want you to just look at the different content, the different animated videos that I've created on here, and also branch out. Think about the different ways that you can possibly use the tools that I've provided you, the backgrounds, and one other specific thing that I'm going to show you just in a second. And I didn't mention this either, but I'm going to give you access to another special tool that maybe you might not have heard of, but it also comes in very handy when it comes to creating animated videos or any other type of videos that you want for your content creation. I'm gonna get to that in just a second, so stay tuned to the end of this short video right here. So as you can see, I've created some videos myself. I want you guys to take the time to look at these videos, get some inspiration, and laugh or critique however you like. This is just something that I do for fun and I enjoy, and I also found a way to make money with it. But as I stated, I like to be different. I'm not the average or typical affiliate marketer, and I have a different type of sense of humor, as a lot of people may tell you about me. But if you guys share in that same or similar type of, sense of humor, I definitely welcome you to connect with me so that we can possibly create some content together. So that's an open invitation that I want to extend to you guys. So that right there is an extra bonus, and it's just for you guys that's purchased this package here. And like I said, for that simple $5 value, I want to overextend myself and make sure that you get the most value out of it. And that's going to lead me to this right here. Now, along with your backgrounds and your scripts, you're going to get that 1 hour long training. Now, it's broken up into multiple parts, so it's going to give you digestible information to teach you how to create videos using no matter what type of software you want to. Now, this right here, as you see, on the website is me using one website in particular, and it's one tool that I really love and I've been using for a couple of years now, and I want to extend this special uh, type of training for you. And matter of fact, it's going to be on the following page. Once when you put your name and email, it's going to take you to this page here where you can actually get started using this software for free, and you can create animated videos just as I have. And hopefully you guys enjoy it enough to want to go pro as I did and be able to get the full experience of this software, this tool, to use it however you like to. Now below here, there'll be some additional walkthrough tutorials for you guys so that you'll know how to do different tips and tricks and different things to make your animated video creation process go that much smoother. So with that, I'm going to end it here on this aspect of it, and I'm going to give you that special bonus that I wanted to give you and I was telling you about. Now this is something that I found a little bit ago, and I really enjoy it because along with creating animated videos, we have the backgrounds, we have the the scripts, but the missing piece is actually some music. So we want to be able to actually create music for our content, and let's see if I can find that real quick. This right here is called Moobert. Now this right here is an awesome software or platform. You don't have to download anything. It's actually an AI program, and it allows you to use it for absolutely free and create music for whatever purposes you want. And if you actually want to pay for the premium services, they allow you to do that and get the extra benefits out of it. But what I want to show you guys real quick is how, let's say you're creating one of your stories and you're trying to create something dramatic. You can easily create a dramatic background beat and not have to worry about searching online trying to find something that's copyright or royalty free, right? So let's just type in dramatic music for drama. Yeah, we use dramatic and drama twice, so hopefully it gets the gist that we want something kind of dramatic. And it's going to go to work and start creating that type of track for you. And a lot of times it creates something awesome that we can use right away, or you can actually tweak the beat or recreate a new one if you don't like what it produces the first time. That's the great thing about this. I haven't found that it has too many limits on it as it is, besides the fact that if you upgrade, like I said, it allows you to have extra benefits. But the free version right now as it is works perfectly fine. And let's see the beat that we actually produced and see if it could work for whatever project you might want it for.
Moobert.
Awesome. So I'm gonna cut it off right there. I actually like that beat, so I'm going to download that beat. And matter of fact, I have to log into my account. But once when I log in, hopefully it'll still be there. It is. And I'm going to save that to my account so that I can use that in a future video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this short walkthrough. I hope you've gotten good value out of this. I look forward to seeing the content that you produce with the backgrounds and the stories that I've provided to you, and hopefully we can create something great together. See you guys on the inside.
The journey begins. John starts his affiliate marketing journey. John meets a guru who promises overnight success. Guru gives John outdated methods. John realizes he needs a better coach. John finds a knowledgeable mentor. Mentor teaches John proven strategies. John starts making real progress. Mentor reveals secrets of successful affiliates. John implements mentor's advice and earns profits. Get your own mentor and start your journey.